अस्सलाम वालेकुम मेरा नाम मंसूर शफीक है I'm from Rawalpindi. I was born and brought up here. I did my postgrads from Rawalpindi, and then I went for chartered accountancy to UK in 2001. After my chartered accountancy, I started my own firm, which is called Medic Accountants. Medic Accountants, as the name says, हम लोग doctors, dentists और people associated with medical sector हम उन लोगों के लिए काम करते हैं. हम लोग प्रॉपर्टी सेक्टर में काफ़ी इन्वॉल्व हैं वहाँ पे in terms of tax planning, and that has taught me quite a lot about construction and property sector in UK. And that's where it led me to believe that that knowledge needs to be transferred. So while I was working in property sector in UK, we thought why not Pakistan? So we started working in Pakistan in around 2019, 2020. So far we have delivered 3 projects, and this is 4th project which we're going to talk about, which is MGI Paradise, or Medic Galleria International Paradise project. Now, MGI Paradise is based in Bahria, Rawalpindi, Phase 4. As you all know, is very close to GT Road. Why we have to do a project in Pakistan? Now, I always had a vision that we need to give something back to Pakistan, whether any sort of skills, because I believe that whenever you're doing something, you should contribute something towards the country or place you're from. Abhi MGI Paradise के through what we're trying to do. Number one, हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि what I've learned about the construction in UK, we bring that to Pakistan. How we can do that? I mean, obviously, we're not just building another building project. It has, obviously, like any other project, the dynamics are same. इसमें कमर्शियल स्पेसेस हैं, इसके अंदर फ्लैट्स हैं, इसके अंदर होटल्स हैं, इसके अंदर ऑफिसेज हैं. बट व्हाट मेक्स डिफरेंस, वी ट्राइंग टू ब्रिंग यूथ टू दैट. हम लोग इसके अंदर इंक्यूबेटर्स बना रहे हैं जो यूथ को हेल्प करेंगे टू यूज द फर्टाइल ब्रेन्स. देयर इज लॉट्स ऑफ we want to use the raw skills of people have in Pakistan. जो offices हम लोग बना रहे हैं उसके अंदर we trying to give infrastructure which will help international companies to come and work in Pakistan, where Pakistani youth can be utilized. It will create employments for Pakistani youth. हम लोग इस बिल्डिंग के अंदर एक स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं which will have international standard swimming pool, steam, sauna, international standard gym. It will have something for the smaller kids, which is, the bowlings and the soft play areas. I've been playing cricket for the last 30 years. So I wanted to contribute something to cricket as well. हम लोग इसके अंदर international level के training camps लेके आ रहे हैं जो बॉलर्स को ट्रेन करेंगे, उनकी स्पीड टेस्टिंग करेंगे, उनकी लाइन एंड लेंथ पे काम करेंगे. इट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प बैट्समैन टू कम एंड ट्रेन देमसेल्फ एज गुड बैट्समैन फॉर पाकिस्तान. हम लोग लॉर्ड स्टैंडर्ड्स के नेट्स यहाँ पे लगाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं विच वी हैव ऑल इन प्लान्स. सो समहाउ कहीं ना कहीं ये सब चीज़ें गोज हैंड इन हैंड विद towards youth, उनकी ट्रेनिंग, उनकी फैसिलिटेशन. हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं कि हम लोग यूनिज में जाएंगे. वी विल हंट फॉर द रॉ टैलेंट. वी विल प्रोवाइड देम विद इंक्यूबेटर्स जो यहाँ पे आके दे विल they will have somebody to mentor them. We will help social media guys to, we will provide them platforms where they can come and, edit their videos, they can record their videos, So there is something for everyone, the Pakistani youth needs direction and mentoring. So that's what we're trying to do here. Why people from overseas, they should come and invest in our project. There has been lots of trust deficit. People sometimes they don't feel comfortable coming here, investing in Pakistani property sector or the projects in Pakistan. But they won't mind investing in companies based in UK. So we have obviously हमारे offices पाकिस्तान में भी हैं, हमारे पाकिस्तान से बाहर भी offices हैं. We have offices in London. We have got office in Birmingham. So come and visit us. We are here to give confidence to you. आपको लोगों के पीछे पाकिस्तान में आके भागना नहीं पड़ेगा. You will have contracts in UK with a UK firm, and we are here to deliver. We see ourselves that we want to create a difference for Pakistani youth and for international investors who want to come and work in Pakistan. Mary Galia International, Pakistan, London and Birmingham. I would like to say, you dream, we deliver. ख्वाब आपका, ताबीर हमारी. पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद.